Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream to English. In this particular video, I will discuss 5 phrasal verbs that start with F alphabet in English. So make sure do watch this video till the end. My name is Dr. Ratan Patel and I am an English grammar trainer. So let's deep dive into phrasal verbs. So what exactly is phrasal verb? Phrasal verb is a verb that is combined with an adverb or a preposition or sometimes both to give a new meaning. So let's learn 5 phrasal verbs that start with F letter in English. So here is first one, fade away. To become very weak or ill and die. इसका हिंदी में मीनिंग होगा धीरे धीरे नजरों से या याददाश्त से गायब होना. For example, in the last weeks of her life, she simply faded away. Number 2, fall back. To move or turn back, to decrease in value or amount. हार मानना, पीठ दिखाना. Share prices fell back after brisk early trading. Third one is fall behind. To fail, to keep level with somebody, something. पिछड़ जाना, पीछे छूट जाना. She soon fell behind the leaders. Next one is fall down. To be shown, to be not true or not good enough. असफल होना. And that's where the theory falls down. And the last one is follow up. To add to something that you have just done by doing something else. अंत तक अनुसरण करना, जारी रखना. For example, you should follow up on your phone call with an email or a letter. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any doubt, any comment or any question, you can put your question in comment section. I have some amazing gift for you, so you can avail all those gifts using given link in description box. So go now and avail amazing gift. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.